Hi learners, today I'm going to talk to you about Assessment 3. In this assessment, we will be looking at locating, selecting and evaluating information found in web pages. The assessment asks that you use any of the general search engines you would have been introduced to in class, find web pages with information suitable for your research topic, and answer questions. Please note that it is important that you view these 3 videos before doing this assessment. The first video addresses building effective search strings using Boolean operators. The second video addresses building effective search strings using other search strategies, example nesting, phrase searching, truncation, and wildcards. The third video gives a demonstration of the use of Google Basic and Advanced Search. Using the assessment template in the e-classroom, you are to answer the following questions. A. Thesis statement. Today it seems that more students are taking online classes. I believe that lower financial costs, flexible schedules, and greater course options are responsible for the increase. This is my thesis statement. B. I have to list keywords and phrases expressed in my thesis statement. So, I take words like students, online classes, financial cost, flexible schedules, course options. I then go to C and create an appropriate search string. My search string is students and online classes or e-learning courses. So I nested the key concepts between the Boolean operator or by putting brackets around online classes or e-learning courses. D. State the name of the search engine I selected, Google. E. Do a basic search and write the number of results retrieved. When I do a basic search with my search string, students and online classes or e-learning courses, I retrieved 1,010 million results. Then you go to the advanced search interface in Google, and with the exact search string, I now use limiters. So I limited it by language, English, I limited by region, United States, and I limited it by time, the past year. And because I use limiters, it shrink the number of results I got for the same search string. So now my result is 125 million. Then we look at selecting one web page. I would suggest that you evaluate at least 3 web pages before making a choice of the one you're going to use. Evaluation of web pages, we have to look at the currency. When you look at the web page, you have to look at when it was published or posted. Has the information been revised or updated? Is the information on the web page current or out of date for your topic? And are the links on that web page functional? Then you look at the relevance. That is the importance of the information for your needs. Does the information relate to your topic or answer your question, your research question? Does it have any relevance to your thesis statement, the arguments in your thesis statement? Who is the intended audience for this information? Is the information at an appropriate level? That is it too elementary or too advanced for your needs? Have you looked at a variety of sources before determining this is the one you will use. And that's why I suggest that you look at 3 web pages before selecting the individual one you're going to use. And would you be comfortable using this source for research paper? Authority. Authority speaks to the source of the information. Who is the author of the web page, or the publisher, or the sponsor of the web page? Are the author's credential or organizational affiliations given? What are the author's credential or organizational affiliation if they are given? What are the author's qualifications to write on the topic? Is there contact information for the author or the publisher, or are there email address to the author or the publisher? Does the URL reveal anything about the author or source? What kind of URL are you using? A .com, commercial, .edu, educational, .gov, a government web page, .org, a non-profit organization, or .net? Accuracy. Accuracy speaks to the reliability, truthfulness, and correctness of the content. Where does the information come from? Is the information supported by evidence? Has the information been reviewed or refereed? Can you verify any of the information in another source or from your personal knowledge? Does the language or tone seem biased and free of emotion? Are there spelling, grammar, or other typographical errors? Purpose. Purpose speaks to the reason the information exists. What is the purpose of the information? Is the information there to inform, to teach, to sell something, to entertain, or to persuade? Do the authors, sponsors make their intentions or purpose clear? Is the information fact, or is it somebody's opinion? Or can you read between the lines and decipher if it is propaganda? Does the point of view appear objective and impartial? And are there political, ideological, cultural, religious, institutional, or personal biases? As you evaluate the web page, and we use the acronym CRAP, currency, relevance, accuracy, authority, and purpose, you need in each of the areas to write 3 or 4 lines in terms of evaluating your web page. After evaluating this source, this particular source that you decide to use, do you think you will use it for your paper? Why or why not? And if you're not sure, explain why. So I want you at this point to ask yourself, I've now chosen a web page. Am I comfortable with using this web page? Then we come to the citations. You need to take main ideas from the web page article, but you have to credit the author by creating an in-text and bibliographic citation. So you're going to put title of the web page, and you're going to give the title of the web page. In most cases, it's the article that is on the web page. And then you give a summary of points relevant to the thesis statement. In this case, I chose an article, and the title was Coronavirus, Universities Are Shifting Classes Online, but it's not as easy as it sounds. And this article, I summarized the article, and I'm going to show you 2 ways you can prevent yourself from plagiarizing. So I started my article like, according to Lee 2020, universities all around the world are shifting classes from the traditional face-to-face mode to the online environment. This shift, while commendable, must not be seen as a simple solution, as online education can be quite a complex process. Students and staff must be properly trained together with a team of experts, including academics, instructional designers, programmers, and illustrators, to properly deliver online content. Online classes, while less costly and more convenient for students, can be beneficial. However, the simple onlineification of face-to-face lectures will not result in a positive experience for academics or students. And here I used in-text citation Lee 2020 again because this is a direct quote. Simple onlineification of face-to-face lectures will not result in positive experience for academics or students. This is what we call in-text citing. You're citing within the text of the information. Then we go to our bibliographic citation, and you have a choice of APA, MLA, or Chicago format. And here I did APA citation. Here I am citing a web page. And of course, in the 6th edition, there's a little difference to the 7th edition. So in the 6th edition, we look at surname, initial of the first name, year, month, date, full stop, title of the web page, okay, the name of the newsletter that the web page, the article was in, and the retriever link. In the 7th edition, we can leave out the retrieve from. Just have the link. Hope this presentation will help you as you complete assessment 3. And remember, how best you do this assessment depends on how much effort you put into it. All the best, and thank you for listening.